First, open your PayPal mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for your current balance, usually displayed prominently at the top. Tap on it. You should now see an option to add money. It might say, Add Money, or Top Up. Tap on that button. The app will then present you with various ways to add funds. You can typically link a bank account, use a debit card, or even a credit card if you prefer. Let's say you want to add money from your bank account. Select your linked bank account from the list of options. Now, enter the exact amount of money you want to add to your PayPal balance. Review the details carefully. You'll see the amount you're adding and the source of the funds. If everything looks correct, tap the Confirm button, usually labeled Add Money or Confirm. And just like that, you'll receive a confirmation that your money has been successfully added to your PayPal balance. Now your funds are ready to go for your next online purchase, or to send to friends and family. It's that easy to manage your PayPal funds on the go.